Language.
1. Read the mini-talks and circle the words in red which you think are stressed. Then listen and check.
1.
Which hotel are you staying at?
The Grand Hotel. It's by the sea.
Isn't it the one you stayed in last year?
Yes, it is. 2.
I can't find my key. Do you happen to see it anywhere?
It's on the coffee table.
There's nothing on the coffee table.
Really? I did see it there when I was tidying up the room this morning. 3.
You have to help me with this assignment.
I won't.
Please?
Are you going to rely on others all your life? 4.
Have you seen The Tomb Raider?
No, I haven't. But I've seen The Smiths.
Is that the film you often talk about?
Yes, it is. Look, this is the trailer for it.